Hello everyone. Have you ever tried explaining your job to your relatives and they completely misunderstood it? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. A few years ago, when I told my relatives that I work in medical coding, most of them said, "Oh, call center? Data entry?" I used to laugh and sometimes I didn't even know where to start explaining. But today I want to tell you a simple, crystal clear story so that everyone, like students, parents, job seekers, or even someone from a different field, can understand what medical coding really is. Alright, let's imagine this. You go to a hospital because you got a fever and the doctor checks you, listens to your symptoms, maybe recommends a lab test, gives medicine, and sends you home. For you, it's just a visit, but for the hospital and insurance company, that visit is a big bundle of information, such as what symptoms you had, what diagnosis codes, what procedures were done, what treatments were given. All of this is written in medical language with long and complex terms that only doctors understand. Now, insurance companies cannot process claims using complicated doctor's language. Hospitals cannot bill insurance using long paragraph either. They need standard codes, which is universal, common, and accepted across the world. And that is where this medical coding comes in. So what exactly is medical coding? Here is the best possible definition. Medical coding is the process of transforming a patient's medical record, including diagnosis, procedures, treatments, into universal standardized codes used for billing, reimbursement, statistics, and the healthcare data management. Still sounds a bit technical? Let's simplify even more. Think of coding like translating one language into another. Doctors speak medical language, insurance companies and hospital billing systems speak code language. A medical coder is the translator. We take the doctor's document and convert it into standardized codes like ICD codes for diagnosis, CPT codes for procedure or services, and the HCPCS codes, which are nothing but supplies, injections, and equipments. Remember, medical coding is not a call center job, it's not data entry, it is a healthcare professional role that requires more analytical thinking, medical terminology, anatomy and physiology knowledge, understanding of guidelines, including compliance and accuracy. So without coders, the entire billing and insurance system collapses. For aspirants, why should you consider it? The best part is you don't need a medical degree. You don't even need to be from a science background. If you can understand medical terminology, learn some basic guidelines, you can pay attention to detail, you can build a successful career in this medical coding field. There are thousands of students from different background who are doing extremely well in this field. So next time someone ask medical coding what it is, what is that? Is that a call center? You can proudly explain no. Medical coding is the backbone of healthcare billing. We convert medical information into universal codes so hospital and insurance companies can function smoothly. I hope this video helped you to understand medical coding in the simplest and most relatable way. If you want more videos like this, training, examples, career guidance, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.